Good afternoon. I wanted to show you a little bit about my encaustic process. So this is 100% pure beeswax, and it is high filtered beeswax. So that's why it's got a nice white color to it. And I'm melting it down on a grill, no more than 200 Fahrenheit. And then over here, I have my resin. And this is a Damar resin. And I have 1/8 resin to wax. So the resin helps it harden so that it stabilizes the wax. So it takes quite a long time to get these two materials together smoothly so that in the end we have a nice uniform wax that I can then put onto my paintings. And this one here was created with encaustic, and I use only clear encaustic, and then I will add in oil paint, oil stick, charcoal, pencil, different layers of maybe photo transfer. And so that's what I'm going to do on this one here, is I'm going to put wax on here and then transfer this image in. But first I will draw and do some other things to the surface so that we get multi-layers of work in there, such as this one here and this one here that's completed, and this one here that's encaustic. So I always add the color after, except for white. Sometimes I do like a good white wax. That's also encaustic. So I'm really looking forward to the workshop this Saturday.